we Kegs and Legs accept the challenge from Bad Company to do a team Ice Bucket Challenge. We are challenging Scores softball team to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. Either you do the challenge by Friday or purchase the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge jerseys by Friday individually. Each purchase one. I'll leave information after this video on how to purchase those. So here we go.